I've been thinking a lot about the present perfect continuous tense lately. It's fascinating how it allows us to express actions that started in the past and are still ongoing or have recently stopped. One of its primary uses is to indicate duration. Let's dive into that. Imagine you've been working on a project for a while. You might say, I have been working on this project for 3 weeks. This construction not only tells someone how long you've been at it, but also emphasizes the ongoing nature of your effort. It's like painting a picture of your commitment and persistence. Now, consider how this tense can add depth to our conversations. If I say, I have been studying for my exams, it conveys more than just the fact that I study. It highlights the time and effort I've invested, suggesting that I'm still in the process of preparing. It creates a sense of urgency and dedication, doesn't it? This tense is also incredibly useful when discussing experiences. For instance, if I mention, I've been learning to play the guitar, it implies that my journey is still unfolding. It invites questions about my progress, my struggles, and my triumphs. It's a great way to engage others in a conversation about shared interests or hobbies. Another interesting aspect is how it can reflect changes over time. If I say, I have been exercising regularly, it not only indicates that I've been doing it for a while, but also suggests a shift in my lifestyle. It's a subtle way of showcasing personal growth or transformation. Let's not forget the emotional weight this tense can carry. When I say, I have been feeling overwhelmed lately, it opens up a window into my current state of mind. It's more than just a fleeting feeling, it's a reflection of an ongoing struggle. This can foster empathy and understanding in conversations, making it a powerful tool for connection. In everyday life, we often use this tense without even realizing it. Think about it. When you catch up with a friend and say, I have been binge watching that new series, you're not just sharing what you've been doing, you're also giving them a glimpse into your life over the past few days or weeks. It's a way to bond over shared experiences and interests. So, the next time you want to express duration, remember the present perfect continuous tense. It's not just about the action. It's about the journey, the time invested, and the stories we weave through our experiences. It adds richness to our language and helps us connect on a deeper level. Embrace it, and you'll find it opens up new avenues for expression and understanding in your conversations.